Hey guys, Joseph here with some new, fresh content for you. Today we're bringing you a new challenger from Thinkware, the Q1000. Before we begin, I want to do a special shout out to everyone who liked and watched our FineView GX33 unboxing video on both Instagram and TikTok. Follow us on TikTok. Jesse2497 left a comment saying, a new challenger. That's correct. We're excited to announce the FineView GX33, which is available for pre-order right now on our website as a new entry-level dash cam. So this is the Thinkware Q1000, Thinkware's newest 2K dash cam on the market. If you're familiar with Thinkware dash cams, you will know already that Thinkware has two 2K dash cams on the market right now, the Q800 Pro and the X1000. Well, the Q1000 is now available as a front-only one-channel and a front and rear dual-channel system. Everything that you need to get started with your drive is already included in the Q1000 box. That includes the 12-volt car charger or a hardwiring kit if you want to do a hardwire installation. But there is something new that Thinkware will include with its dash cams, which is a heat blocking film. So instead of sticking the dash cam right onto your windshield, you first attach the heat blocking film to the installation location on your windshield and then stick the dash cam onto the film. And in case you're wondering, Thinkware has confirmed that the heat blocking film will be included in premium Thinkware models in the future. So this is the Q1000. Aesthetically, we can see that it's quite similar to the Q800 Pro. The camera lens does rotate up and down, so it can accommodate different windshield shapes and sizes. To use the Q1000's parking mode recording, you're either gonna need to hardwire it using the hardwiring kit that's included in the box, or alternatively, if you don't want to do that, you can simply install using an OBD power cable, or even better, what we recommend is using a dash cam battery pack like the BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8. If you're using the rear camera, connect the rear camera to the front unit using the included rear camera cable. Now let's turn this on. I think you're gonna like what you hear.
Please have a safe drive today.
You guys hear that? That is exactly what we've been asking for from Thinkware for a really long time. Remember how long those intros were?
During parking mode, motion detection recording, over 10 and event detection recording. 4. Occurred. Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose
The Q1000 is equipped with a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor. Records in 2K QHD at 30 frames per second at a 156-degree angle, covering the better part of the area around the vehicle while minimizing blind spots. You'll get the option to scale down to 1080p Full HD for recording at 60 frames per second. The rear camera is also fitted with a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor to capture the traffic behind at 2K QHD at 30 frames per second, also at a 156-degree angle. It's also an upgraded BCQH300 model compared to the BCQH200 that you get with the Thinkware X1000 or the U1000. This new rear is not compatible with the latter models. Do note that the rear camera will only record at 30 frames per second, regardless of if you have the front camera recording at 30 or 60 frames per second. Other features include parking surveillance mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, and Thinkware's latest connected services. Here's something new. The Q1000 comes with Thinkware's latest Super Night Vision 3.0, which uses a combination of digital overlap high dynamic range and noise reduction technology to reduce noise and lens flare effects that typically affect nighttime footage. The Q1000 comes with a 32 gig microSD card, but you can use a larger card up to 128 gigs. Like all other Thinkware dash cams, the Q1000 comes with built-in voltage monitoring to continuously monitor the health of your car battery and will shut down if it detects any issues so that your car battery will not be affected. With parking features, you're going to get standard motion and impact detection with buffered recording and time-lapse recording. You also get Energy Saving Mode 2.0, a feature that was first introduced in the U1000, which significantly reduces power consumption to provide up to 72 hours of parking mode runtime. Now, if you pair it with a dedicated battery pack, you can extend the standby period to up to 576 hours or 24 days. But as a result, you won't get pre-impact footage. If you want to use energy saving mode but also get buffered recording, you're gonna need the optional Thinkware radar module. The Q1000 also has GPS built in to the device itself. So with all of your driving footage, you're gonna get stuff like date and time, location, driving speed, all that good information that you need. You're also gonna get a wide variety of alerts and warnings from the Q1000. When paired with the optional Connected service, you also open up a lot more alerts and notifications, all while the Q1000 is still recording your drive.
Red light camera in 100 meters. Speed and red light camera in 400 meters. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
So this is the Thinkware Connected App. It's a new service that Thinkware is introducing with the Q1000. Here's what you need to know. Thinkware Connected is not the same as Thinkware Cloud, and the Q1000 is not compatible with the Thinkware Cloud app, but they are gonna be quite similar. You're gonna get innovative features that brings more benefits and values, especially to rideshare drivers and fleet owners. For instance, you can view real-time footage of your car in both continuous recording mode and parking mode, which means you can see in real time what your camera is recording while it's on the road or left unattended. The second feature I really like is being able to send emergency messages at the touch of a button. Say if you want to just make changes to the settings, view your dashcam footage, etc., all you need is the Thinkware Dashcam Link app. The cool thing about the Thinkware Q1000 is that it's got Bluetooth 5.1 built into the device itself, which makes connecting and setting up all that much easier with Bluetooth directly to your phone. Just one thing to keep in mind when you're connecting your phone to your dash cam is that make sure your phone is not connected to any other Bluetooth device in your car. That includes your CarPlay or your Apple Watch, or else it might mess up the connection to your dash cam. The Thinkware Q1000 fills the gap between the Q800 Pro, the U1000, and the X1000. Price-wise, the Q1000 sits right in between the Q800 Pro and the U1000 at $329.99 for the one-channel version and $429.99 for the two-channel. If you're currently using the Q800 Pro or the X1000 and looking for better quality and cloud, the Q1000 is the answer. Before I let you go, I want to do a special shout out to Jean C599 who asked this on our Instagram page. Is an extended hardwiring kit available by special order or is available on the BlackboxMyCar website? Great question, John Cena. So here it is, the extended hardwiring cable. These are specifically made for vehicles where your fuse panels are located in the engine bay or in the trunk. They are 1.2 meters long or 4 feet longer than the standard hardwiring kit that you get in a dash cam box. They are available on the BlackboxMyCar website. All you got to do is go under the cables and hardwiring section on our website, or if you're having trouble finding it, feel free to reach out to us at info@blackboxmycar.com and our experts are happy to help. So to sum it all up, here's what I really like about the Thinkware Q1000. I really enjoyed that video quality, that Super Night Vision 3.0. That heat blocking film is going to be really important for those of you living in really hot temperatures. And being able to connect to your dashcam via Bluetooth using that Thinkware Dashcam Link app, awesome. Here's what I would change with the Thinkware Q1000. I wish more dashcams would have built-in LTE by now, rather than having to hook up a mobile hotspot separate from the device. I'd also love to use one app instead of two. I don't know why we need Thinkware Dashcam Link and Thinkware Connected. I wish they would just combine all of those into one. And last but not least, we hear you. I wish we could do more than 128 gig microSD card. Maybe go up to 256, even 512. So the Q1000 is now available on the BlackboxMyCar website. If you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off your dash cam. Got a question? Drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Make me happy by liking and subscribing to BlackboxMyCar to stay up to date on everything Thinkware. Thanks for watching.